Well, hello, my friends. Let's go shopping at Aldi and see what all they have in the way of Christmas decor. Now, it is a hidden gem to go to this grocery store and find all of this awesome Christmas decor, and I'm going to do my best to get through it for you quickly. So, every single thing will have a price here first. I'm in love with these little glass ornaments that you can use for drinks. How fun is that? Can you just picture that at your next Christmas gathering? So fun. And then, of course, I feel like I'm super obsessed with doormats. I love the selection at Aldi, and they always have so many things to choose from. I'm loving these red truck ones and this Merry Christmas with the little colorful trees. But then I found my taste is more of the traditional black and white. Love the snowflake welcome mat and the red fa la 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 as well for their simplicity. Now, those were a steal at only $12.99, and then the smaller ones were $8.99. And then my squirrel syndrome got away with me. I saw these gingerbread decorating house kits and I was like, yes, please. Absolutely love these, and they're super fun to do with the kids. Now for $9.99 over in another area, I found these really cute fa la 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 doormats for the inside. So these are more of a cloth, they're not the choir. And they came in these really three cute designs. I love all three. I couldn't decide. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite is. Now, every season they have these fun reversible signs. They're pretty substantial size, and they have really cute sayings on both sides, so you can use them over and over. All right. Again, they have some smaller reversed signs, and these have a couple of different designs. I believe there were 4 or 5, and each side has something completely different. I thought this one was really, really cute. The gnomes are kind of an Aldi specialty. So if you like gnomes, you're going to find all of your favorites at Aldi. These were little Christmas gnomes with candles inside, different colors, different scents. None of them disappointed. Look how cute the little arm and hand and mitten is on the back. I thought these were absolutely adorable. Now, there was a fun, ugly sweater cookie kit. Just thought it was worth mentioning. And then I went over here and found some ornament wreaths. Now these are fun to make yourself, but if you don't have time or it's just not your jam, they have them already made in these multiple colored kits, and I absolutely love those for a little pop of color. Now these holiday lanterns are to die for. You can decorate these in a million different ways. This white one with the snowflakes is really cute, but I actually grabbed a couple of black ones. Now, this is holiday figurines in the gnome fashion. Like I said, they are super popular. These are those antique looking vintage Christmas trees with the multiple lights, and they had them in lots of different shapes and sizes. There's some more reversible signs. You guys, you will not run out of the reversible signs there. These have the little 3D elements on them, which I think really cutes them up. And then they have them for every taste. So they have the simple black and white, and then they have the colorful pops. I'm loving this gingerbread baking company sign. It reverses for a gather at home sign. It's so good to be home, which I think could be used year round. Now these were really a fun little small sized candle that they had. They smelled really good. They had Holly Jolly Christmas Farm, reindeer sleigh rides, really, really cute. And the last one that I really liked was this gnome for the holidays one. Really fun. Again, all about the gnomes at Aldi. You will not run out of gnomes. So these were gingerbread houses that light up inside, ceramic and super fun, and they have the little tree on the side with the snowman, and then they had some more gnomes. These gnomes had really cute Christmas trees with the lights on top, and they light up as well. And then I found even more gnomes as I was looking downwards. These are plushies. They have a little weight underneath them for putting in front of a doorstop or just standing up on their own next to a tree or a plant or your Christmas gifts. I love them. Now, if you like to decorate the outside, they have these really great birch trees and they're perfect. They had more signs, lots of Christmas decor here. These light up with the touch of a button, and they have the little countdown wooden plackets there, all 25 days till Christmas. Really cute with the buffalo check as well. Now, these are just already handmade ribbons that you can grab and go. I love that. These little mini wreaths are perfect for the back of your chairs if you want to decorate your dining room for the holidays. They came in this really pretty berry color that I loved, as well as a more muted neutral white with the pine cones. I thought these were a great find at Aldi. We are back to the ceramics. These do not light up, but I thought they were totally worth showing you guys. I absolutely love the simple black and white look of these pieces. They are a little bit more modern, and I'm loving. They have a couple different shapes and sizes of those. Great deal at Aldi. Now, I don't have any cookie jars, but I thought these were adorable. These light up cookie jars, again, with the Christmas tree and the multicolor lights, ceramic, and then it was like, boom, I found these little ceramic red trucks with Santa in it and their light up tree in the back. I thought these were so adorable, and I feel like anyone's kids or grandkids would love to come over and snag a little cookie from the cookie jar with the light up Christmas tree. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you're loving a video like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get informed when I share all of these types of finds. They have so many signs, guys. I cannot reiterate how many signs they have to choose from for the holidays, and a lot of gnome decor. If that's your jam, Aldi is your place. Now, I wanted to mention these cute Christmas tree skirts. I made a DIY buffalo check one that I will link below last year, but I'm loving these fur trimmed buffalo check skirts. They had other colors as well, but the buffalo check has my heart. Now, if you're looking for gift ideas, they have a lot of really cute gifts that you could give your neighbor or friends, like this one with popcorn, chocolates, and peppermints in it. It's a cute stacked box, all decorated, grab and go type of a thing. And then these are the Burt's Bees. I thought they were perfect little stocking stuffers. They have the little lip balm and the other balm in them that is perfect gift for everyone. Now, they had a ton of selection of advent calendars to choose from. This is just one of them, and it was for ladies. And then they had these ones that were for kiddos, and it was a gnome advent calendar. And then they had, that was actually a gnome kit. Sorry, y'all. They had this crafting calendar for kids, and I thought that was a super cute idea. You know, they're always stuffed up in the indoors for the holidays, and you're wanting things to do with them. That is a great activity. And then, of course, the chocolate one. I'm loving this Belgian chocolate advent calendar. Moving on to these chunky knit loop throws. I will put a link below to one that you can make yourself, but if you don't have the time, the energy, or it's not your jam, these are the perfect grab and go gift. And last but not least, on my way out the door, I found this huge tower of Little Debbie Christmas trees. It wouldn't be Christmas without Little Debbie snack cakes, and I have a recipe below for the best dip ever. Thank you for shopping with me, and Merry Christmas.